Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video on the design of simple machine parts. In previous video we started the design of coupling. We'll continue the further part and we'll see the next part to design. Okay, now as I told you, the muff which we are using in the coupling, okay, we are treating it as a shaft because shaft will go and fit into the muff. So first we have to calculate T, that is the torque transmitted, of course based upon the assuming it as a hollow. So formula will turns out to be pi by 16 tau c into d raised to 4. Capital D is the outside diameter of the hub minus small d is the inside diameter of the hub divided by d. Okay. Or else we can modify the equation as replacing d raised to 4 minus d raised to 4 by the k, where k is the nothing but the ratio of small d divided by capital D. Next we have to design the key, because in coupling we have to design the shaft. On the shaft there is a keyway, in that we have to fit the key and entire assembly will be fitted into the hub. So for the design of the key we need the dimensions of the keys, so which you can found out with the help of the data handbook. There is the separate table. Depending upon the diameter of the table we can get the dimensions of the keys, that is width and the thickness and the length of the key. Now length of the key is, see, length of the key in each shaft is, because if you are connecting the two shaft, okay, the half of the length of the key is inserted in the one shaft and the half of the key is inserted into other shaft. See, as we are using the coupling, there will be more than two shafts because we are connecting those two shafts. Next we have to design a key based upon the sharing criteria. So formula is T equal to, that is the torque transmitted, L, where L is the length of the key, W is the width of the key, tau is the shear stress, and D by 2, where D is the diameter of the shaft. Next we have to design based upon the crushing strength. So T equal to L into T by 2, where T is the thickness, into sigma C, which is the crushing stress, into D by 2. So next we'll go to the design of the muff. Okay, so there are some of the specification for the muff, like outside diameter of the muff is given by 2d plus 13, where d is the diameter of the shaft. The length of the sleeve L equal to 3.5 times d, where d is again the diameter of the shaft. A torque transmitted by the hollow section is given by pi by 16 tau c into d raised to 4 minus d raised to 4 by d, which we already seen it actually. Okay, thank you.